Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink and today's topic is smoke on the water. The rock riff, which everybody probably wants to play or once played or don't want to play anymore. A little bit more in detail, a little bit more of the history of Smoke on the Water. And also the sound setting here is kind of very treble boost oriented sound here. Pretty near to what Richie Blackmore was using. He used the Vox AC30 and the treble booster as far as I know. And sometimes he also used the Marshall 200 watt head, but I think this was made with this sound setting. And what I'm showing is taken from Live Tokyo in the 1972. We learned the riff and also the two other parts in the song. Not the solo, but the riff, just the song, but the riff, probably everybody already have played, so let's get started. The riff is very easy to play. You play it with finger picking or with the pick, but then you pick the one with the pick and or just use then the other things to make finger picking. That's the way it's played. The open D and the open G string and 0, 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 5. So it's very easy to play, but the rhythm is a little bit tricky. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The first three notes are on beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next three are off beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And this first is in 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. See, that's how you count it through. And what you don't see, I have my foot making the beat. So 1, 2, and the end 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the main riff. Let's play it several times. Then it enters the song. The song. We all came down to Montreux. So one, and that's pretty. The guitar work is pretty simple. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the chord structure of the chorus. So we all came down to Montreux. I cannot sing so high. We all came down to Montreux. And then we go to F here, third, second, first fret. And this repeat twice. 1 came down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now comes the reference, smoke on a water. That's a little bit freaky. We're going to a C, third fret, 5, 5, 5. And then melodies 3, 5, 4. 4, 5. You make a A flat bar, and then comes the riff. Oh, now that comes on the turn. The fire in the sky, the fire in the sky, and then makes this here with a pick. I don't have a pick here now. Let me get a pick. Smoke on the water, the fire in the sky, and you make this with the pick. Just move down. Comes again. Smoke on the water. Then comes the riff again. And as I said, you have a pick in your hand, but you make the riff with a free finger. Yeah, folks, these were the three main parts which are played by the rim guitar. just listen to the original song. Maybe take the 1972 version, Live in Japan. I like that one most. There's also a record from that one. It's a really cool version, and I would pick that one. For me, this is like the original one. And just fill in. That's all. I mean, a song basically also has parts, and you just fill in the parts, and then you're ready to play Smoke on the Water if you haven't played it till now. Yo, me and Dr. Pink are singing. We don't smoke anymore. Oh yeah, the story about Smoke on the Water is they were in Montreux, Jazz Festival Montreux in Switzerland. I also played there, by the way, some time ago. A very famous jazz festival. And that time the casino was burning, and so the smoke of the burning casino, I know where that was standing. There's a new one there now. Just went on the water, and that's basically the story of Smoke on the Water. And I know the guy who was working in the studios at that time there. He also produced We Are the Champions. We Will Rock You. The guy who made the claps of We Will Rock You was the same studio, I think. I know the guy who made the claps, believe me. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off.